Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with MNT Bank app step by step clearly. Open the MNT Bank app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Payments tab on the main menu. Tap on the Zelle option within the Payments section. If this is your first time using Zelle, you will need to enroll. Follow the prompts to set up your account with Zelle. You may need to enter your email address or mobile number for verification. Check your email or SMS for a verification code. Enter the verification code when prompted in the app. After verification, you will be directed to the Zelle main screen. To send money, tap on the Send button. Select a recipient from your contacts or enter their email address or mobile number. Input the amount you wish to send. You can add a note or message if you wish to specify the reason for the payment. Review the details of your transaction to ensure everything is correct. Tap Send to initiate the payment. You will receive a confirmation once the payment has been sent successfully. To request money, tap on the Request button in the Zelle section. Enter the recipient's information and the amount you are requesting. Add a note if desired, then review your request. Tap Request to send your request to the recipient. You can view all your Zelle transactions in the Transaction History section. Log out of the MNT Bank app once you have completed your transactions for security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.